Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Channel. Today we're discussing the best laptops for entrepreneurs. The job as an entrepreneur will be tough for certain people, especially in data keeping and maintenance. Having a good quality laptop will help you complete your work on time and maintain a proper database. By carrying a laptop, you can check your company's updates anywhere without any delay. If you are thinking about purchasing the laptop for other members and workers, you can go along with a limited features edition available for a low price. But if you are buying a laptop for yourself, then go for a higher version model to enjoy all the features that will help you. There are various models available in the market and you can choose one that will suit your requirement. One of the standard features that you have to look for while purchasing a laptop is the connectivity. You can connect to other people in your office and the main database. Having a laptop that will allow you to connect with the company's database and security system will allow you to maintain a proper eye on the company's things. Most of the entrepreneurs will not have adequate computer knowledge, especially regarding the hardware. You will feel it is just a machine with nuts and bolts, but understanding it will allow you to purchase it with a free mind. Having a good quality laptop requires a lot of things that need to be taken into consideration. For example, the screen size, web camera, processor, RAM, etc. So while purchasing a laptop, you have to consider all these features according to your requirement. We have researched the market and found the requirements that you need to note while purchasing a laptop. Read the passage below to understand in detail about the features required to buy a laptop suitable for an entrepreneur. Set up a budget. Setting up a budget is essential when purchasing a laptop. When you decide on an account, you will conclude what type of product you want and the amount you are willing to spend on that particular laptop. This feature will allow you to categorize easily, choose a model that will be perfect. The budget will prevent you from spending too much money on the laptop, and at the same time it will prevent you from purchasing a cheap model. The budget will help you to decide which brand will be suitable for the price you are selecting. This condition is because some brands like Apple do not have any design below a specific price. Certain brands cannot be purchased at a lower price. So deciding on a budget will allow you to decide on a model. As an entrepreneur, you will have more requirements for a laptop with good features. So purchasing a laptop for the price above the range of rupees 1 lakh will be suitable for your requirement. So before buying a laptop, decide on your budget and then start working towards it. You can choose one or two brands depending upon the budget and select 5 more designs in that particular brand before making it the final choice. Decide on the OS. The operating system is an important factor while purchasing a laptop. Most of the laptops you purchase come with an embedded operating system that allows you to function properly. For example, purchasing an Apple laptop will come with an iOS operating system that certain other laptops come with and Chrome OS. Even though most people prefer using the Apple laptop because of their stylish design, they are not user friendly, especially when connecting it with other laptops. Using a Windows 10 OS will allow you to be a universal person who can connect with all the laptops. This particular OS will allow you to use the laptop easing even if you do not have any prior knowledge with the model. Decide on the size of the laptop. Before you purchase a laptop, you need to decide on the size of the laptop. As an entrepreneur, you will have the requirement to conduct virtual meetings with other business officials and provide presentations in front of an audience. So having a really small size laptop will not be beneficial for you. So try to choose a laptop size that lies between 15 and 17 inches. This processor will allow you to enjoy a good screen view. Having a normal sized screen will allow you to work leisurely without any worry. You can notice all the minute details in the presentation and videos. If you are connecting the laptop to the company's security videos, then having a normal sized laptop is essential for viewing the recordings. Screen clarity and brightness. Most of the laptops that are available nowadays come with an adjustable brightness model. This feature will allow you to alter the brightness when required. Some of the laptops also have the automatic detecting technology that changes the laptop's brightness according to the requirement. For example, when you are placing the laptop in front of sunlight, you will have a dark screen. This feature will reduce the brightness, but the automatic laptops will have the ability to detect this and the brightness of the laptop screen immediately. So while purchasing, make sure that it has automatic adjustment levels that can be turned into a manual if you are not comfortable with that. Along with this feature, another feature is called a resolution that is more important than anything. Purchasing a laptop with a good HD resolution is necessary for enjoying a clear view. especially when you are trying to provide presentation and view the security videos. The laptop with a 1080 pixel resolution combined with top-notch LED screen will allow you to view everything. The processor is important too. When you are trying to purchase a laptop, the most important thing that you need to consider is the processor. As an entrepreneur, you will have the necessity to install any software related to the management of the company. For example, you might need to include security camera software, presentation software, auditing software, etc. So, when you have a high amount of software on your laptop, there will be an issue of the speed when they are running all together. So, to have a faster response from the software, you need a good type of processor. The market is filled with a variety of processors. For a novice, these countless processors might look the same, but only experts can understand that some processors will boost your software speed. Using an Intel Core i3 processor will eventually slow down the laptop speed when multiple software is used. So the best option is to go for an Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. There are also Intel Core i9 processors available in the market. Unless you are an entrepreneur of an IT based industry or a gaming industry, you do not need this i9 processor since they are very powerful and expensive. So going for an Intel Core i5 or i7 processor will be suitable. If you do not wish to purchase an Intel Core processor, you can go for AMD Ryzen 5 model processor. But remember, most of your colleagues will be using the Intel Core processor since it is common and widespread. RAM for speed. Have you ever wondered why when you are moving from one software to another, it takes a few minutes to load? Also, when you try to start up the computer, it will take a few minutes to load and open up. The main reason for this is the random access memory, which is otherwise known as the laptop's temporary memory. When you try to load the computer, it installs the random access memory's cache files and then opens up. Similarly, when you are operating on the software, the details will be passed through the processor. The cache files will be stored in the random access memory before providing an output. Having good RAM storage will allow you to enjoy a good speed within the laptop and process all the files at a quicker rate. Since you will be installing a lot of software within your computer, you will have the requirement to use a 4 GB RAM. This storage space is sufficient for normal activity. If you want to run multiple programs simultaneously, you should go for a RAM with 8 GB or more storage. This feature will allow you to run the programs freely without getting hanged in the middle. Disk drive. When the random access memory is responsible for temporarily storing data, you need some storage device to permanently store the data. For that, the laptop uses the disk drives. The disk drives are responsible for permanently storing the data, including the operating system, admin details, and other software background details. When you are looking for a laptop with a disk drive, you will find two types of drives in the market, the SSD and the other is the HDD. The solid state drive, otherwise known as the SSD, is quite popular nowadays because of their ability to withstand intense pressure during accidents. Sometimes your laptop might be damaged due to external environment conditions, but your content within the laptop will be safe with the help of a solid state drive. But since it is a new concept, they have not been developed completely. So the market has SSD up to 512 GB of storage space only. If you are looking for more storage space, you can use an external disk for storage or use the HDD. The storage capacity of HDD is available up to 2 GB, but they cannot withstand the pressure. So you should handle the laptop carefully without dropping them. The data present in the SSD drive can be accessed at a faster rate than the HDD drive since they use a magnetic disk for storing the data. Is a comfortable keyboard necessary? Most of the users do not care about the keyboard when it comes to purchasing the laptop. But the truth is that the keyboard is a major factor since you are going to use the laptop for typing the data and for creating presentations that involve a lot of typing. So technically, by purchasing a laptop, check the keyboard's quality, including its size and mechanism. If the laptop size is small, then the size of the keyboard will also be small. Typing on a small keyboard might be a huge headache for most of the people. So try to purchase a laptop that is of a decent size but a normal sized keyboard. You can also try to get a feel on the keyboard before purchasing since it is an important feature. The keyboard keys should be small and should allow you to type faster without having to hold the keys for a longer time. So purchasing a laptop with the Feather Touch technology is essential. Battery power. The laptop battery is also an important feature that needs to be considered while purchasing a laptop. You will have the requirement to move everywhere from one place to another. So when you purchase a laptop, make sure that it has a battery that lasts for at least 10 hours so that you can carry it around and make a presentation without worrying about connecting it to a power source. The supercharged batteries based laptop will allow you to charge at least 50% of the laptop in 20 minutes by producing 60-watt power. So both the charger and the battery should be powerful enough to withstand for hours without getting recharged. The battery's quality should also be good and the charger should be insulated properly to prevent accidental short fuses. Conduct the best online meetings. As an entrepreneur, you will have the necessary to conduct online meetings with the clients and co-workers whenever required. So when purchasing a laptop, make sure that it has a good quality web camera that prevents you from purchasing a new separate camera for online meetings. When you have a good quality integrated web camera and audio system within your laptop, you will not need to carry an individual web camera and headset everywhere you go. Now you can conduct the best online meetings using your laptop without worrying about the charger and other extra fittings required in your laptop bag. Purchasing a good quality laptop will allow you to travel light. Along with these features, there are also other required features that you need to consider, like external ports which are necessary for a laptop. The laptop should have at least 3 or 4 USB ports for connecting mouse and other external storage devices. It should also include an HDMI port for connecting them to other computers and huge screens for presentations. This particular port will allow you to transfer the presentation in HD quality from your laptop. Along with these features, there are also other things like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. They should be integrated within the laptop to connect them without any wire. Given ahead are some of the laptops that we feel are suitable for your requirement as an entrepreneur. There are various other models available in the market and you can choose them if you are interested. Most of the models given in our suggestion are available on online websites like Amazon. Choose the best design and enjoy your life. Best International Edition laptops are Asus ZenBook 14 Ultra Slim Laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: Ultra Slim laptop model with innovative screen pad. 2020 Asus ROG G531GT 15.6-inch FHD gaming laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD plus 1TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 15.6 inches, extra features, backlit keyboard with integrated graphic card. LG Gram laptop. Description: Processor Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Windows 10, 17 inches screen width. Extra features: 17-hour battery life and thin model battery. Lenovo ThinkPad T490 laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: backlit keyboard with fingerprint technology. OEM Lenovo ThinkPad T490 laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, disk drive 512GB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: Intel Quad Core with fingerprint lock. Best Indian edition laptops are Dell XPS 9570 15.6-inch FHD laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen width. Extra features: integrated graphics with low weight. Microsoft Surface Book 2 Intel Core i7 8th generation laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 13.5 inches screen width. Extra features: integrated graphics with touchscreen technology. Asus ZenBook 13 2020 Intel Core 10th generation 13.3-inch FHD thin and light laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 13.3 inches screen width. Extra features: low weight of 1.11 kg with integrated graphics. Apple MacBook Pro. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 16 inches screen width. Extra features: beautiful grey color with slim model design. Acer Swift 5 10th generation Core i7 14-inch ultra thin and light laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: charcoal blue colored laptop with a beautiful thin model design. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Prodhat channel.